Hello kids, can you count from 1 to 10? Join me. Let's learn to count from 1 to 10 using some of the objects around you. Are you ready? Let's get started. How many apples can you see?
I can see 1 apple.
Great job. How many oranges can you see?
I can see 2 oranges.
Great job. How many durians are there?
There are 3 durians.
Great job. How many cats are there?
There are 4 cats.
Great job. How many dogs are there?
There are 5 dogs.
Are there 7 pigs in the picture?
No, there are 6 pigs in the picture.
How many boys can you see?
I can see 7 boys.
How many cars are there?
There are 8 cars.
How many houses can you see in the picture?
There are 9 houses in the picture.
Are there 20 bags in the picture?
No, there are 10 bags in the picture.